Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm MSA if you're new. Today's look is a soft glam featuring the color mauve because I'm just in love with mauve at the moment. I think because it's spring and there's all this lavender around and pinky colors. Yeah, I go through these phases where I fall in love with a certain color. So at the moment it is mauve, and it's the first time I've actually created a soft glam look using this color, and it worked out, which I'm really happy about, because sometimes you can have a concept and you try to create it and it just doesn't work. But thank God this was not one of those days. So if you want to learn how to create this soft glam look, please keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you want more makeup inspiration, and yeah, stay tuned. As you can see, my base is already done, and I've also primed my upper eyelids. I've put some concealer on them and I've set it with some translucent powder, so I'm ready to go. So what I'm going to do is just to create a guard for my eyeshadow underneath my eyes, and I'm just going to do this by applying some translucent powder on a beauty blender. It's just going to protect the rest of my face from these eyeshadows. It feels so attractive right now. I'm using one of my favorite palettes, the Jackie Aina palette, and I'm going to apply edges first on a MAC 224 brush, and I'm just going to use that in my transition area, a bit above my crease. I'm going to use a clean MAC 217 brush and just to blend out the edges of that color just a little bit more. Next color is Credit, and I'm just going to apply this with a Morphe fluffy brush, just a random brush I bought ages ago in a Morphe brush set, and I'm just going to work that into the outer third of my eye, and again above my crease because I'm creating a false crease. Then back in with that same MAC 224 brush. There is no product on this, so I'm just going to use that to blend those two colors together. The next color I'm going to use is Lituation, and I'm applying it with just a flat shaded brush. This is one of the most unique colors in this palette because, I don't know, I just struggle to describe it. It's got mauve in it, it has this metallic sheen where it's almost silver, there's brown in it as well, tiny bit of pink. I love it. It's just really different. But it's still so wearable that you can wear this during the day or for a more intense look, and it just always looks good. I'm just using a MAC 217 brush, which I used to blend out my transition color, and I'm going to use that again just to blend out Lituation into my transition color. And these colors, they're just blending out like a dream. Just so nice. That's when you know you have a good quality palette, when it's so easy to work with. I'm just going to go back in with just a little bit of Credit just to smoke out the outer third just a little bit more. Okay, I'm just going to line my eyes with my Inglot AMC gel eyeliner. This is in the shade 77, which is super black. I really love this eyeliner. I'm using a MAC 210 brush for this, by the way. I can't talk while I do this, so I'm just going to be quiet. Gonna pop my lashes on. Lashes are on. I'm gonna get rid of all this excess powder on my face. So to finish off my eyes, I'm gonna use that same brown, dark brown shade on my lower lash line. I'm gonna use that same sort of metallic mauve shade that I put on my upper eyelids, just right in my inner tear duct area. And then I'm using edges, which I used in my transition area, to just blend out the bottom edge of that dark brown color. Okay, mascara time. Just gonna pop some on my lower lashes. So from the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette, I'm going to use the shade Bubbly. It's just a fine detailer brush by Real Techniques. And I'm just going to put some of that right on my inner tear duct. I'm going to use the exact same shade to highlight the rest of my face. Right, I'm going to line my lips with a pencil by Sleek. This is in the shade Just Say Nothing. I'm using NYX's Liquid Suede lipstick. This is in the shade Brooklyn Thorn, which is like a mauve color. And I have to say, I love the formulation of these lipsticks because they're very long lasting, very comfortable to wear, and they don't transfer too much. I haven't yet tested them under my masks, but I know that it's one of those lipsticks that when I put it on at the beginning of the workday, I don't really touch it up for the rest of the day. So for the center of my lips, I'm using the exact same type of lipstick, but this time, this shade is Sandstorm, just to lighten it up a little bit. Then for my blush, I'm using the bronzer by Fenty Beauty called Mocha Mami. This adds a bit of color, a bit of warmth. It's not quite a bronzer for me, but if you're a lighter skin than me, then this would be a great bronze color. And before I discovered this, I would always use a blush by MAC called Raisin. So that was one of my go-tos when I had no idea what blush color to use. I feel so much better once the look is done. You know, it's just makeup is so therapeutic for me. I always feel really nice once my face is beat and I'm dressed. I just feel really ready for the day. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will be linking my foundation routine to this video in case you're interested to see how I get the rest of my face done. All right, thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.